Hello world, last week we made a nice and tasty risotto and we have something left, carrot tops. But they're perfectly edible, so today I'll show you my favorite breakfast, eggs and bacon, and we'll put these carrot green tops inside to make it even better and very healthy. Let's go! Wash carrot greens first and dry it well with a towel. After that, chop it roughly with a knife and put aside. Peel an onion and slice half thinly. Fried eggs without onions, not good enough. Wash cherry tomatoes and cut them in halves. Heat up a skillet and fry 3 slices of bacon till golden brown. Drain extra fat on a paper towel. Saute onions in the same pan. Season it with salt. Onion will release its moisture and won't burn. When it is golden, add carrot greens. Sweat quickly. Pour in 50 ml of white wine. Keep cooking till wine is absorbed. Season with black pepper. Make some space in the pan for the eggs. Crack them in. Add cherry tomatoes. Season the eggs, return the bacon. Add grated cheese on top. Cover the skillet and give eggs some time to set on low fire. For me it is ready when egg whites are set, but yolks are still running. Time to plate our dish and decorate it with fresh herbs and salad leaves. Bon appetit! This is one of my best, most liked breakfast with the eggs, bacon, some cheese, some tomatoes, spinach and our carrot tops, because nothing should be wasted. Cool. See you next time. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.